Okay, this is the AuSable Valley Snowmobile Association groomer, or one of them, working on the Lovells Trail, doing some prep work for the winter, trying to level out a low spot with a load of sand. Of course, the AuSable Valley Snowmobile Association is in Crawford County, the Grayling area. And all this work is done by volunteer groomer drivers. They call themselves groomer jockeys. And then they have mechanics who work on keeping the tractors running. And they fondly refer to themselves as grease monkeys. But all this work is done by volunteers. None of these people are paid. That huge piece of equipment, it doesn't take very long for them to level that whole truckload of sand out. A lot of people don't know that there's all this preparation work that takes place every year before the actual grooming takes place. You have to come out and do some preliminary repair work on the trails like this, and they have to put new signs up where the signs have been broken or stolen, and they have to brush the trails to make sure there aren't any trees or tree limbs in the way. the back of that tractor. It's got a monitor, a small monitor inside the cab, so that when they're backing up they can actually see where they're going. And that is all nice and smoothed out. Looks like now he's probably just packing it down. And there's normally a drag on the back of that. And we'll get some winter footage with that drag on as soon as we get some snow, which hopefully will be pretty soon.